Hey guys, today I'm over at the Orchard subdivision by Lennar. They may be new to the area, but they certainly are not new to building homes. They've been in business for over 70 years and they've become one of our new local home builders with all of their different neighborhoods that they have. And today I'm over here at the Dover. It is a 1,453 square foot home, 3-bed, 2.5 bathrooms. And I'm telling you what, the inside of this thing is gorgeous. I'm so excited to be able to show you Lennar's newest products here in the local area. And also with all of these different floor plans, with all of these different neighborhoods that they have, the link in the description below is going to give you access to everything. But come with me as I show you one of Lennar's newest homes and one of their newest neighborhoods located here in Perry, Georgia, with great school systems, great amenities, grocery stores right within driving distance, and everything that would be important for you and your family can all be found right here. Come and take a look with me as I show you what perfection looks like in our area.